Well, dear students, let us discuss voice change. Basically, voice change will read out how to change active into passive form. Now, what is an active sentence and what is a passive sentence? For example, Ram is a student. Ram is a student and second one Ram eats mango every day. Now two different sentences I have just shown here and we will come to study whether these two sentences can be converted from active into passive or not. Now first one you see Ram is a student. So we find it very difficult to convert active into passive, but whereas the second one it can be easily converted into passive because there is one object form or your transitive form. Basically, when you convert any active into passive, please note that whether in your sentence object form is there or not. And basically, how to find object I just told you in my previous class by using who or what. By using who or what, you can draw your object. What, your direct object, and whom, your indirect object. So please note that whether in your sentence you have a transitive verb or not. So whenever you find any object form in a sentence, then the verb will become your transitive. Here this verb is intransitive because we do not have object form. Basically object you can find by using who and what. For example, he reads comic books. Now this word is your transitive because this particular word has its object form, comic books. So any word which has got its object form is known as your transitive form. And basically when you find a transitive verb in a sentence, so that sentence can be easily converted from active into passive. Let us study the sentences which contain different transitive verbs and how we are changing from active into passive. And I am showing you here the kinds of sentence I have taken declarative, how to change in declarative form, and especially the use of present tense form. All forms, simple, imperfect, perfect and perfect progressive. Let us see. Let us see how to change a simple sentence, how to convert active from active into passive. Present tense simple form. Suppose one example I am showing you. My father reads books every day. This is in active form. This particular sentence is in active form because you find your object form plus you find your transitive form. So whenever you find an object, obviously you have a transitive verb. So whenever you have transitive, then this will be very easy to convert from active into passive. Now, what happens? What are the basic changes that you can find in active form, and what we do it in passive? Now, this is your subject. Mark the subject in active form. This is your subject. This is your verb, and this is your object, and this is the adverb form. Clear? So four basic elements you are finding: one subject, one verb, and one object plus your adverb. Now, while changing from active into passive, you try to understand the object for it will come to your subject question. Clear? Books. Now the object of your active form will come to the subject form in passive. Is it clear? And this subject will go to the object form in the passive voice. Now object, it became your subject form. As for the subject now, as for the singular and plural number of your subject, you have to use the helping verb either am is are, am is are plus main verb you have to convert it to past participle, that is V3, plus the object form, the subject of your activity will go to the object form. Now you see books more than one, so obviously you have to select are. Read verb V3 is read, read, read. The spelling is same, but the pronunciation it is something different. Okay, read again R-E-D, R-E-A-D. So read, read, read. So this is the V3. Is it clear? So books are read. Then after using the V3, you have to use the preposition every time by. Then the subject question, it will become your object form in the present. And whatever left out every day, you can write also, or you may not write. Books are read by my father every day, or books are read every day by my father also. But whenever a child is writing, books are read, you are simply selecting your object and writing is subject form. Then as for this, you have to select am is are plus you are converting your main verb into V3. This format, if you follow, then absolutely your passive form will be correct. So in simple, you noticed it very carefully. You are bringing the object, writing it. As for this, you are selecting the helping verb, then main verb will be from your writing. This is the format of simple form. Now come to the progressive one. How to change it in progressive? Now, if I cite example, my father is cooking food for us. Now, this particular sentence, it is in present tense progressive form, and this is in active form. So while converting into passive, I told you very clearly, this is your finite verb. Sorry, this is your transitive verb because food is your object. So we have a transitive verb. Now, bring out, just take your object and put it in subject form in passive. Now, what is the subject will be here? Food. Then select am is are, am is are plus extra being plus V3 plus preposition by, then the remaining portion. Now you see, I have taken your object and put it in subject form food. As for this, we have to select either M is R. So food is being. This is the extra form of be. With your be. Then with be of cook. Cooked. Now food is being cooked for us by my father. So this is the passive form. So in passive voice, please note that in progressive form, extra being you are providing. Clear? Now in perfect, what are the changes that we can notice? You see. In perfect form, I have eaten raw mangoes. I have eaten raw mangoes. This is an active form. So while converting from active into passive, basically your perfect form, you see the changes. As usual, you just identify your object, put it in first of all in subject form. So your answer will become raw mangoes. I brought simply the object and put it in subject form. Now, as for my subject, I have to see the number and person. This is in plural. So, of course, I have to select either have or had. So, here have to be given because more than one mango is there. So, raw mangoes have or has plus extra being in perfect form plus by plus remaining. So, your object raw mangoes, it has come to the subject in passive. Now, as for this, either have or has. So, more than one, so have to be given. Plus extra being, plus your preparation by I to be, it should be. Because this subject, now when it is changing into object, so I object will become me. Me is the object form of I. Clear? So how the subject, this is simply coming to the object form, and how this object is coming to the subject form. So active voice, when you are looking any active form, so you see how this object form is coming into subject position. As per the subject, now you see the number and person. You select and is the either in present and simple or progressive, imperfect, have or has, plus been. Then as usual your question you can write why. But up to this form also you will just write an exam, you will be given marks. Is it clear? Now you see in perfect progressive, what kind of change we find? In present tense progressive form, perfect progressive, I have been eating rice. Now this is your object, this is your transitive verb, and this is your subject or pronoun. Okay. Now Here I have been eating rice. The basic means theoretically if I just convert active into passive here, then it should be rice has been eaten by me. But this is theoretically applicable, but when it comes to practical use, we basically do not have this kind of structure. So you forget the last form of any tense, either your present tense or your past tense. You remember only simple, progressive and perfect. I hope you have understood very clearly how to change from active into passive. So present tense form is already covered, so we'll be coming back later on the past tense form and the future time. Thank you very much.